Class 2. Part 2. There are different kinds of organizations in the world. In Nigeria they are divided into 3 types. 1. Type B. Business name, enterprises and ventures. This is a profit-oriented entity whose primary objective is to carry out business practices geared towards one goal, which is to make profit. It is owned by one or few persons. They are also known as small and medium-scale businesses, and they are subdivided into 2 types. A. Sole proprietorship, one-man business. B. Partnership, more than one man. A group of persons not exceeding 10 persons incorporated by partnership. 2. Type A. Companies. These are business entities owned by more than one person. They are either private limited, unlimited, or public limited, and they carry out practices geared towards making and maximizing profits. They include the banks, limited liability companies, production companies, oil and gas, insurance companies, etc. 3. Type C. The incorporated trustees. These are non-profit entities like the societies, churches, mosques, NGOs, associations, foundations, etc. Their primary objective is to render specific services to mankind geared towards promoting or creating an enabling environment for people to thrive, creating a better society and protecting humanity from evil vices from external sources, human activities or governmental functions. Their primary aim is to promote their course and purpose of existence, which can be found in their vision and mission statements. They are not profit-oriented, but they require funds to carry out their functions, which can be realized through contributions from members and non-members, donations and gifts. These funds are also used for the promotion and actualization of their aims and objectives. Similarities of the different types of entities listed above. 1. They all raise funds for their projects in one way or the other. Either through investments, partnerships, loans, gifts, contributions or donations. All the different types of organizations listed above raise funds for the goals and objectives. 2. They have workers. Workers are also known as human resources, in other words human assets. All the organizations above need humans with the technical know-how to run their systems and structures, which includes all administrative functions. 3. They have projects. Every entity is created for a specific function in the society. They have their specific aims and objectives. 4. They use funds for execution. Every entity needs money to carry out its functions, and therefore they use these funds for their projects. 5. They pay workers. Those working with either of the above listed entities have to be paid for their services. So whether it is a business entity or non-profit, their workers and staff members must be paid for their service one way or the other, as this is required for survival. 6. They require productivity from their workers. Their purpose of existence is not to have staff and workers, but the staff and workers are employed to carry out specific functions geared towards the actualization of the visions and objectives of these entities. The company, organization was not created for the staff and workers, but the workers for the companies and organization. Therefore, there is a great demand for productivity, which without the existence of the entity is useless.